Oh yes, the classic wrap it in whatever's nearby technique. Sure, you can stick your £2,000 MacBook inside a tea towel, that will save it from smashing to the floor. Why don't you just wrap it in a pair of Y-fronts? What you need is a Magic Wrapz. The scientifically proven hook and loop of Velcro applied to a cloth where it doesn't make a ripping noise when you take it apart and it doesn't scratch anything. It's soft, it's tactile, it's friendly to your devices and completely reversible. Loads of different sizes, small enough for your phone, big enough for your laptop, and if you've got a small dog, it will probably wrap that as well. Backpacks, gym bags, suitcases, cars, motorbikes, planes, hovercrafts. Magic Wrapz go everywhere you do. Fold it, wrap it, store it, carry it, protect it.